Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make orange glow smoothie. We'll be needing some banana, some orange juice, some frozen mangoes, some carrots and ice cube. After washing your ingredients, you cut them into smaller pieces. Then you place all of the ingredients in a blender. And then you blend until it's smooth. Blend very well so that it will be very smooth. Then you pour it into a jar and enjoy. Guys, can you see this goodness? This is so yummy and so refreshing. So guys, I'll be telling you the benefit of this smoothie. It packs with a lot of vitamin A and C. It glows the skin and it also boosts the immune system. So guys, make sure you try this recipe, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. See you guys in my next video. Bye.